Hey shop owners, Ron Ipach here. Thanks for watching this really quick video. Today, I got a quick question for you. Why should I, as Joe Consumer, choose to do business with you versus everybody else out there in your marketplace? Look, there's a lot of competition out there, so what I'm asking you is, what are you doing that's going to help you stand out from the crowd to make it easy for me to choose you versus the shop down the street? Now, your mind might go towards the usual suspects, like we fix cars right the first time, or we have fair pricing. If that's where you're hanging your hat on what's making you different, let me tell you something. That's not different. Everybody's saying the exact same thing. And look, as a consumer, those are the things that I would expect you to do. I would expect you, if my car is broken, to have it fixed when I pay you for it. I would expect, if I need maintenance on my vehicle, that when I drive my car off the lot, it's maintained and it's still running fine. I would also expect not to get gouged on prices. So, look, everybody's saying the exact same thing. I'm asking you the crucial question: what's different about what you do? How are you standing above the crowd? Is it your outstanding customer service? Is it super convenient to do business with you? Are you leaving nice gifts on the seat after you're done working on a vehicle? Are you sending a monthly newsletter in the mail every single month to your customers? In other words, what are you doing different? Okay, I like to say it's not what you do, it's what else you do that's going to help you stand above that crowd. So give this a long, hard think, okay? Figure out the things that you need to do, things you need to add to what you're doing right now that's going to help you stand above the crowd to make it easy for me as a consumer to say, look, these are obviously the right people that I want to do business with, not everybody else, because they do fill in the blank. That's what I want you to work on today, okay? Now, if you like these videos, please do me a huge favor. Go down below the video, click the like button, write me a little comment on there. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. That way you're notified every time I post one of these videos. Please do me a solid. Take a little time. Let me know that you appreciate these videos, and I'll keep sending them your way. Thanks for watching.